Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Shadini bin Jeffrey and my metric number AA192083. Today, I will like to present about the introduction. First of all, what is renewable energy? Renewable energy or resource is the resource that can be used repeatedly and does not run out because it is naturally displaced. As we know, there are the type of resource which is known as non-renewable resource. A non-renewable resource is the source that cannot be readily displaced once it is consumed. When the human population continues to grow, the demand of renewable resource increases. There are few examples of renewable energy such as solar energy, wind energy, nuclear power, hydroelectricity, geothermal energy, and tidal energy. The renewable energy also give good impacts to our environment, which it can generate energy that produce no greenhouse gas emission from fossil and reduce air pollution. Furthermore, we must know that the renewable energy is not widely used when it comes to cost and infrastructure. Like the solar energy, when the manufacture and implementation of solar panels are costly. Different situation in United States. The renewable energy is the fastest growing energy in that country, increasing 100% from 2000 to 2018. The way to increase system efficiency as well to balance the energy supply by introducing the hybrid energy. The hybrid energy is the use of renewable energy that are designed for the generation and use of electrical power. This hybrid energy is independent large, centralized electricity grid and incorporate more than one type of power source. For example, for this project, the hybrid model is used to current systems such as enhancing the wind and water energy. I think that's all for me and I will pass the other slide for my group member to present. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Arif Azal. I'm going to present the wind energy and the improvement for the wind energy. First, the current system in wind energy. Use a wind turbine is a device that converts wind kinetic energy into electrical energy. Wind turbines are manufactured in a wide range of sizes with either horizontal or vertical axis. It is estimated that hundreds of thousands of large turbines in a section known as a wind farm now generate over 650 gigawatts of power, with 60 gigawatts added each year. They are increasingly important source of intermittent renewable energy and are used in many countries to low cost the reduce reliance of fossil fuel.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Azrim Fuzat bin Samzul Fuzat, number metric AA191866. Now, I will present about the new improved model, which are wind energy plus solar energy. So, for the wind turbine improvement, because the peak operating time for wind and solar system occur at different times of day and year, the hybrid system are more likely to produce power. Second, for hybrid system is provide power through batteries or an engine generator powered by conventional fuels such as diesel. If the battery runs low, the engine generator can provide power and recharge the battery. So next, the storage capacity must be large enough to supply electrical needs during non-charging periods. And last but not least, adding an engine generator makes the system more complex, but modern electronic controllers can operate these systems automatically. And an engine generator can also reduce the size of other components needed for the system.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Haziq bin Osam, matrix number AA191930. So I will present the current system, which is hydropower energy. Hydropower is using water to power machinery or make electricity. Water constantly moves through a vast global cycle, evaporating from lakes and oceans, forming clouds, precipitating as rain or snow, then flowing back down to the ocean. When flowing water is captured and turned in electricity, it is called hydroelectric power or hydropower. There are several types or hydroelectric facilities. They are all powered by kinetic energy of flowing water as it moves downstream. Turbines and generators convert the energy into electricity, which is then fed into the electrical and to be used in homes, business, and by industry. For the advantage of hydropower energy, first, hydropower does not pollute the air like power plants that burn fossil fuels such as coal or natural gas. Second, hydropower is a domestic source of energy such as produced in the United States. Third, hydropower relies on the water cycle, which is driven by the sun. That is a renewable power source. For the disadvantage of hydropower energy, fish populations can be impaired if fish cannot migrate upstream past impoundment dams to spawning grounds. Second, hydropower can impact water quality and flow. And third, hydropower plants can be impaired by drought when water is not available. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ishamuddin bin Ramli. My matric number is AA191804, and I will explain about the hybrid power system with solar and hydro. First of all, look at the picture. This is an example of hybrid power system, solar and hydro. In hybrid system, FPV system are identical to standalone system, but they are connected to other generation. Full hybrid FPV hydropower system with FPV and hydropower connected at a common substation in their study. This enables operation to be co-optimized and sent at the same time. Only the reservoir impoundment and pump storage system are considered hydropower in this study since they are more commonly highly controllable. The author believes that run-off river schemes are troublesome for FPV development because to a lack of reservoir space and the existence of water current. There are some value added to FPV hydropower. First, improved system operation at different time scale. Due to weather condition, spatial resource characteristic and daily pattern, solar PV power is unpredictable and less predictable. Hydropower system, on the other hand, can provide high level of generation control and storage to balance intermittent solar PV generation if resources are available. The second is improved transmission utilization, which is it's connecting FPV to existing transmission infrastructure could boost transmission line utilization rate if more transfer capacity is available. The other value is additional energy storage opportunities, which is a different combination of FPV hydropower. Hybrid could provide energy storage potential. To point out that the underlying data set for this conclusion may have bias due to the fact that North and South America may have more thorough hydropower database than other locations. The findings of this global assessment of hybrid FPV power system, on the other hand, are consistent with previous recent global estimates. Furthermore, the findings demonstrate that they have the potential to make a considerable contribution to world energy demand. The anticipated annual generation result for the scenario analyzed range from 4,251 to 10,616 watt per year. This also consider a number of obstacles that could limit future investment and development of hybrid FPV hydropower system. There are some of them, which is first is variation in FPV may occur too quickly for some turbines without high degrees of generation control, thereby limiting hybrid operation. The second is insulation failure can lead to frequent unplanned downtime. The third is electrical and anchoring system, as well as mooring expense vary greatly and may be significantly costlier than for land-based system. Finally is concern related to aesthetics, intrusion and recreational water bodies, and environment impact such as temperature fluctuation that could affect local ecosystem.
So now, I will present about the conclusion. In conclusion, the hybrid energy like the wind and solar energy are somewhat complementary in some reason, where the combination of wind and solar perform better than either wind or solar alone. It can bring together different generation, storage, and consumption technologies in a single system that can improve the overall benefits compared to a system that depends on a single source. Moreover, the use of hybrid energy system can increase its efficiency, competitiveness, and to protect the health of the planet. Thank you.